Hello mga ka-wisdom! Welcome to Wisdom is Power channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like, mag-comment at i-share ang video ito. Click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat! Today we're going to discuss the multiplication of algebraic expressions. To multiply the algebraic expression, simply multiply the coefficients parehos na literal coefficient and the numerical coefficient. Then add the exponents of variables with the same base. So let's have some example. So 3x multiplied by 2x squared. So alam natin yung doon sa 3x, yung x natin ay may exponent na 1. So yung ating coefficient, 3 times 2, no? Yan yung ating coefficient. Then, multiply din natin nung variables natin with the same base. So, yung exponent nung first term, that is 1, and the exponent of the second term is 2. So, 1 plus 2 is 3. So, to simplify, that will be 6x cubed. So, let's have another problem. So, the products of monomial and another monomial will be 2x multiplied by 4x. So, that will be simply 2 times 4, that is 8. Then the sum ng ating mga exponents ng variables natin. So x para dito sa 1 plus 1 dahil alam natin na meron silang invisible exponent na 1. So that will be simply 8x squared. So 3x multiplied by 4x plus 7. So this is an example of a monomial multiplied by a binomial. So that will be we will use the distributive property of multiplication. So distribute the monomial term to each term in the monomial. So yung monomial term natin, i-multiply natin sa bawat term dun sa polynomial. So, i-distribute doon natin. So 3x, yung monomial term natin, multiply natin dun sa first term ng ating polynomial. So 3x times 4x, that will be equals to 12x squared. Then again, so meron pa tayong isang term. So 3x, multiply uli natin ng 7. So that will become plus 21x. So the answer will be 12x squared plus 21x. So another example, so 2a multiplied by 3a minus 4b. So i-distribute lang natin yung monomial natin, 2a times 3a, that will be equals to 6a squared. Then, yung monomial uli natin, i-distribute natin sa second term, which is 2a multiplied by negative 4b. This will give us negative 8ab. So, in case of a monomial and trinomial, the product will be using the same distributive property. We distribute the monomial term to each term in the polynomial. So, this 4a squared b is our monomial multiply dun sa loob ng ating nasa parenthesis. So that will be 4a squared b multiplied by 3a squared. This will give us 12a to the fourth power b. Then, 4a squared b, multiply naman natin nung term, the second term, 5a squared b squared. That will be equals to 20a to the fourth b cubed. Then, yung ating uling monomial term, 4a squared b multiplied by the negative 4b cubed, our third term. So that will be equals to negative 16a squared b to the fourth. So distributive proper lang. Dinidistribute lang natin yung ating monomial doon sa loob ng ating polynomial. So whether it is binomial, trinomial, o quadrinomial, basta polynomial, dinidistribute lang natin yung ating monomial term. So, the product of a binomial and another binomial. So, in this case, gagamitan natin siya ng FOIL method. Yung FOIL is an acronym for first, outer, inner, and last. Okay? So, yun daw ang ating imumultiply. So, ibig sabihin, ang first, the first term, so x times x, that will be x squared. The outer will become x times 3, so that will be plus 3x. The inner, positive 2 times x, that will be positive 2x. And the outer, or the last, that will be 2 times 3, that will be equals to 6. Then we will simplify our equation. That will be x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. So 3x plus 2x, that will become x squared plus 5x plus 6. So this is the product of a binomial to and another binomial. So again, using FOIL method, so a plus 3 multiplied by a plus 4. So the first, so a times a, that will be equals to a squared. Then outer, a times 4, this will give us plus 4a. Then inner, so 3 times a, this will give us plus 3a. And last, 3 times 4 is equals to 12. So simplifying, 4a plus 3a, that will be a squared plus 7a plus 12. So let's have another example using FOIL method. Again, so the first term, so 2x multiplied by 6x, that will be is equals to 12x squared. Then for the outer, that is 2x multiplied by 4, and will give us 8x. Then the inner, negative 2 times 6x, this will give us negative 12x. And the last two constant, that will be negative 4 multiplied by negative 2 rather, multiplied by positive 4, and this will give us negative 8. So simplifying again, so 8x minus 12x, this will give us 12x squared minus 4x minus 8. So again, using FOIL method, so first term, so 5x times 6x, that will be give us 30x squared. The outer, 5x multiplied by negative 8, it is equals to negative 40x. The inner, 3 times 6x, that is 18x. And the two constants, 3 times negative 8 is equals to negative 24. Then simplifying, negative 40x plus 18x is negative 22x. So the product of this binomial and the second binomial is equals to 30x squared minus 22x minus 24. So let's have another example. So 3m minus 4 multiplied by 3m plus 4. So this is the first term, 3m multiplied by 3m, that is equals to 9m squared. The outer terms, so 3m multiplied by 4, that is equals to 12m. The inner terms, that is negative 4 times 3m, that is equals to negative 12m. So the last terms, which is negative 4 multiplied by positive 4, and that is equals to negative 16. So simplifying our equation, that will be 12m minus 12m is equals to 0. So hindi na natin isusulat yung 0. So that will be 9m squared minus 16. So the product of a binomial and a trinomial, so again, we will be using a distributive property. So distribute each binomial term to each term in the polynomial. So again, the same method, the same procedure. So each term in the binomial will be multiplied to each term in the polynomial terms, okay, or the polynomial expression. So x, so top plus bottom, so let's multiply the first term of the binomial to the first term of the polynomial. So x multiplied by 2x squared, this will give us 2x cubed. So again, x multiplied by 3x is positive 3x squared. Then x multiplied by negative 4 is negative 4x. Okay, so those are the first term of the binomial. We distribute it to each term in the polynomial. Next, the second term of the binomial, that is 3. multiply by 2x squared to the bottom. So 3 times 2, that will be 6x squared. 3 times 3x, that is 9x. 3 times negative 4, that is negative 12. Then simplifying our equation, so 2x cubed, wala siyang katulad na term. So we simply write it 2x cubed. Then 3x squared and positive 6x squared are like terms. So the sum is 9x squared. Negative 4x and 9x, positive 9x are like terms also. So simplifying this expression, it will become positive 5x. Then we just simply write the negative 12. So the answer is, for the product of x plus 3 multiplied by 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 is equals to 2x cubed plus 9x squared plus 5x minus 12. So let's have another example of binomial and trinomial, getting the product of a binomial and a trinomial. So the first term, a multiplied by a squared, so that will be equals to a cubed. A multiplied by 2ab, this will give us 2a squared b. A multiplied by negative b squared, this will give us negative ab squared. Then to the bottom, b. The second term, multiply again to each term in the polynomial. So b times a squared is a squared b. B multiplied by 2ab, this will give us 2ab squared. And b multiplied by negative b squared is equals to b cubed, negative b cubed. So simplifying, so a cubed, wala siyang katulad na terms. We simply write it. Then 2a squared b and a squared b are like terms, so they are both positive. So that is simply 3a squared b. Negative ab squared and positive 2ab squared are like terms. So we simply get their difference. So that is positive ab squared. Then simply write the b cubed. So the product of a plus b and a squared plus 2ab minus b squared is simply a cubed plus 3a squared b plus ab squared minus b cubed. So let's say practice problems. So determine the product of the following expressions. So number 1, 3x and 4x is simply 12x squared. Number 2, 2x multiplied by 3x plus 5. So distributive property of a monomial and between monomial and binomial. So distributive, 2x multiplied by 3x. So that is 6x squared. Then 2x times 5 is 10. So that will give us 6x squared plus 10x. Then for number 3, 4, 5, 6, we will be using FOIL method, the first, the outer, the inner, and the last. So x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 3, this will give us x squared plus 7x plus 12. So you will notice, pare-parehas lang yung given natin ng 3, 4, 5, 6. Ang naiiba lang ay mga sign numbers. So observe the answer. So magkakaiba rin, no? So pare-parehas lang yung variable and yung constant, ang naiiba lang ay sign. So x plus 4 multiplied by x minus 3. So our product will be x squared plus x minus 12. For number 5, so our product will be x squared minus x minus 12. So for problem number 6, our product will be x squared minus 7x plus 12. For number 7, that will be binomial and trinomial. So we are asked to solve for the product between binomial and a trinomial. So we will be using distributive property. So again, so each term in the binomial term will be distributed to each term of the polynomial. So that this will give you an answer of x cubed plus 5x squared plus 10x plus 8. For problem number 8, so this will be another FOIL method. So this will give us 2x squared plus 19x plus 24. And for number 9 and number 10, the same method. We will be using FOIL method. That will give us for number 9, 12x squared minus 14x minus 10. And for number 10, that will be the product is equals to 3x squared minus 14x plus 8. So that's all mga ka-wisdom. Again, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And click the notification bell to receive more wisdom videos like this. Thank you very much.